The final question, right? Before we close, let's talk about entrepreneurship stuff along that line, right? Because remember, when you're working or you're doing a job, you're given a particular fixed salary, right?
Yes.
Good. And remember that everyone want to live a certain type of lifestyle. Not everyone, but
Precisely.
everyone want to live happiest lifestyle before they leave the earth. So my question now, in terms of, say you're doing that 9 to 5, right? How important it is for someone to have a side hustle while they're doing a 9 to 5.
Well, it is very, very important that we do because salary will never be enough. That is just the truth. So you have to find other means that will enable you to augment what you are getting. And one of these is business entrepreneurship. And sometimes you have skills, and these skills you can put into use, and I believe that you will benefit financially from it. Sometimes you are able to engage in businesses that you have to invest money into.
Yes.
So look at, do self inventory and look at the skills that you have, look at what you are capable of doing, and try to invest in it.
Yeah, Fresco on the block, nigga. Whoa. Fresco on the top, nigga. Whoa.